What is cryptocurrency? It is a digital form of payment that can be exchanged in the real world. Cryptocurrency relies on public key cryptography to secure the transactions and verify the transfer of assets. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency is built on the consensus algorithms regulating the creation of new blocks. So the process is the following. 1. Blockchain participant creates a transaction. 2. This transaction is broadcasted to P2P network consisting of nodes. A node is a computer responsible for creating blocks and adding them to the blockchain. 3. Then the network of nodes validate the transaction. 4. A few transactions create a new block. The block contains information on the transaction, their date, time, and the amount of money. 5. And finally, blockchain participants, who allocated processing power to validate a transaction on step 3, receive a reward in the form of cryptocurrency. Talking about the key characteristics of the cryptocurrency, we define that cryptocurrency is a virtual currency. Cryptocurrency is secured with cryptography. The most important feature of cryptocurrency is decentralization and transparency. What is the difference between the coin and the token? Well, coins are cryptocurrencies that are based on their own blockchains, while tokens do not have their blockchain and rely on existing ones. Coins are primarily used as a medium for digital payments, while most tokens are used to execute smart contracts, raise funds for crowd sales, or as rewards. We have a great guide on creating Ethereum smart contracts, so check it out. The link is in the description box. Wondering how to create your own cryptocurrency? Let's review the process. First, define your business idea. And once you have a value proposition, we advise you to document it on a white paper, along with the methodology and the technology you've used. Then choose a consensus algorithm. We consider the proof of work scheme is the best method for reaching a consensus agreement between participating nodes. With POW, miners compete against each other to complete transactions on the network and get rewarded. Then pick a blockchain platform. Creating the list of the top blockchain platforms available today, we have selected Ethereum, OpenChain, NEM, EOS, Ripple, Stellar, IBM Blockchain. The next step is to design the nodes. There are many features you can design your nodes with, such as you can set the node's permissions to be either private or public. Choose between on-premise or cloud hosting. Select the required hardware details, and you also need to pick a base operating system. Then establish your blockchain's internal architecture. At this point, we advise making sure you make the best of your blockchain's internal architecture, because once the platform is launched, you won't be able to change the parameters. So, define who can access, create, and validate new blocks. Think about what your blockchain address will look like. Choose the format of the keys. Provide the rules for asset issuance. Create a management system for private key protection and storage. Decide on the number of digital signatures your blockchain will require to verify the transactions. Plan for atomic swaps that will allow users to exchange different cryptocurrencies without an intermediary. Estimate the block reward, block size, transaction limits, and create block signatures. Further, integrate blockchain APIs. In case the blockchain of your choice doesn't have pre-built APIs, you can still use third-party providers. Among the most popular blockchain API providers, we define Chromaway, Bitcore, Neuroware, Tyrion, Gem, Colu, BlockCypher, Coinbase's API, Colored Coin APIs, and Blockchain APIs. The next step is to design the admin and user interfaces. Don't forget that a good intuitive interface enables users to build accurate communication and adds value to your startup. Then make your cryptocurrency legal. It is necessary for preserving your project and avoiding legal problems. And finally, promote your project. To maintain and promote the coin, we advise searching for popular channels and present your product to the crypto community.